In recent years, smart bands are now an integral part of our everyday lives. Presently, there are many smart bands in the market, but only a few stand out. Earlier today, Chinese manufacturing giant Xiaomi released its latest smart band, Xiaomi Mi Band 6. This band was first announced in China back in November. However, the company recently released this smart band globally on March 28 this year. The Mi Smart Band 6 sports a 1.56 AMOLED touchscreen of 486 by 152 pixel resolution and 450 nits brightness. Inside the Xiaomi Mi Band 6 box, you will find the instructions booklet, the magnetic charger, the Band 6, and its black strap. The Band 6 magnet charger this year has a great innovative and big improvement over the previous ones. You can now charge the band directly without removing it from the stripe. It packs a 125 mAh battery that's claimed to offer 14 days of endurance. The wearable has 5 ATM water resistance and supports a total of 30 exercise modes. It also comes with a heart rate sensor and can track your REM sleep as well. Xiaomi did a lot of work on upgrading its device. If you seek a fitness tracker with the most top-notch features and more sports modes, then you have to consider the Xiaomi Mi Band 6. It is a significant upgrade of the Mi Band 5 as it adds over 15 more sports modes. Furthermore, it retains some of the special features that the Xiaomi Mi Band 5 offers. These include features like female health tracking and stress monitoring. Looking at the Xiaomi Mi Band 6, it is a significant upgrade from the previous generation, Mi Band 5. The overall design is more ergonomic and it uses a full-screen display. The 1.56-inch display is about 50% larger than the Xiaomi Mi Band 5. This means that the Xiaomi Mi Band 6 display is no less than 65% larger than that of the Mi Band 4. This display comes with a tempered glass layer that supports an anti-fingerprint coating. This means that it won't retain fingerprints. In terms of the sensors, it does not add any real improvement. The Mi Band 6 retains all the sensors in the previous generation. However, it adds more sports mode as well as the Spo2 monitoring feature. It also supports the new features of the Mi Band 5 like stress monitoring, guided breathing exercises, and female health tracking. In addition to the 24-hour heart rate monitoring feature, this band adds Spo2 monitoring. The previous Xiaomi Mi Band 5 lacks this feature. This feature is only available on the Mi Band 6. The Spo2 monitoring feature can measure users' blood oxygen levels. Furthermore, the Xiaomi Mi Band 6 also supports the Pi Personal Activity Intelligence feature, which was first introduced with the Mi Band 5. The Pi feature uses user data such as age, heart rate, height, weight, and other data to calculate the score. With the score, it will suggest what the user needs to do to maintain good health. Xiaomi introduced the Mi Smart Band 6 earlier this week with a Spo2 sensor to measure blood oxygen levels. The sensor can also monitor sleep breathing quality, a feature Xiaomi talked about during the unveiling, but is only now enabling through its Mi Fit app with an update. The new update bumps up the app version to 5.0.0, improves user experience, and fixes known bugs. The Mi Fit app is available for Android and iOS devices and allows users to manage and update their Mi wearable devices while also letting them access the collected data. The Mi Smart Band 6 is priced at €45 in Europe and costs 230 Chinese yuan, which is about $35 or €30 in China, where Xiaomi also offers an NFC edition at 280 Chinese yuan, which is approximately about $43 or €35.
Thank you for watching. Please do support my channel.